For over 100 years, STERIS has been a global leader, trusted partner, and solutions provider in the field of sterilization and contamination control for pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, and research institutions. This leadership position was in part established by the STERIS FINN-AQUA water system, invented in the 1970s. FINN-AQUA pioneered the development of multiple effect distillation for producing water for injection and pure steam, which are critical utilities for pharmaceutical manufacturing, processes, and products. This multiple effects distillation process continues to be the gold standard for producing water for injection and pure steam today. FINN-AQUA systems employ a patented 3-stage separation system using centrifugal forces and high temperatures to remove non-condensable gases, pyrogen, endotoxins, and other impurities. The system meets all applicable pharmacopoeia requirements and produces the purest water and steam, ensuring the absence of even the smallest particles by using heat and separation. The required quality of WFI and pure steam is more than conductivity sensors can indicate. Conductivity does not measure pyrogen and endotoxin. Since first introducing the technology, STERIS has installed more than 3,200 WFI distillation and pure steam generation systems around the world. What makes FINN-AQUA systems superior to other technologies? It comes down to performance, efficiency, and reliability. With up to 8 distillation columns, the FINN-AQUA distillation systems use a minimal amount of heat, steam, and no cooling water during the process. The water still design uses proportional capacity control, which automatically runs the distillation process according to the manufacturing capacity demand, minimizing energy losses and any downtime of multiple daily starts and stops. Another energy-saving feature of the still is the ability to recirculate non-evaporated feed water back to process, which can cut reject water discharge by 50%. Distillation against back pressure to WFI storage tank eliminates any need of additional lifting pump, tank, or instrumentation in the WFI supply in case of running WFI to upper floor, to a higher tank, or against overpressurized nitrogen blanket in the WFI storage tanks. Performance, efficiency, and reliability are the hallmarks of the FINN-AQUA T-Series pure steam generators. The generator's continuously running process provides several key benefits. The system responds instantaneously to demand, just in a matter of seconds, providing steam at any time and at any quantity. This allows fast startup of autoclaves and other critical process equipment. Secondly, the continuous process is very energy efficient, avoiding the costly cold startups of systems after shutdown of unit when not in use. Finally, the constant falling film water flow in the column maintains clean surfaces at all times, greatly minimizing any periodical cleaning needs. Another important benefit of FINN-AQUA water systems is the large range of sizes and options available. No other manufacturer offers the breadth of solutions to meet the unique needs of pharmaceutical makers in various markets and applications across the globe. For example, FINN-AQUA offers the 7500T water still, which produces an incredible 17,000 liters of WFI water per hour, and the 7500T pure steam generator can produce up to 6,800 kilograms per hour of pure steam. Conversely, FINN-AQUA also produces systems as small as 170 kilograms per hour. If you're on a tight project schedule, FINN-AQUA has standard water systems in stock which can be shipped in as little as 8 to 10 weeks. And finally, before any unit is shipped, FINN-AQUA welcomes customers to participate in factory acceptance testing in its renowned 13 Test Bay FAT hall, which simulates customer conditions and runs all capacity and operations tests. This also minimizes site testing and validation efforts. In summary, FINN-AQUA water systems from STERIS are the gold standard in water for injection and pure steam generation for the pharmaceutical industry. Their performance, efficiency, and reliability are unmatched by other technologies. Contact STERIS today to learn more. Visit us online at STERISLifesciences.com.